is very important in the life of a child who reminds the elders about their duties towards the children. Though it was on 14th November, we are celebrating it today. Children's Day also reminds us of the rights of children. Children have the right to be looked after by parents, to have healthy food, to feel safe and to get a good education. We are the citizens and leaders of tomorrow. Respect, special care education and protection. But do you know how many children are abused in our nation? On this occasion, let us also remember those children who are sick, abused and unhappy.
Children are the world's most valuable resources and it will hope for the future.
Every child is a different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden.
Childhood is all about being wild, having fun and enjoying a carefree life. Enjoy your childhood, children class. Happy Children's Day.
And good morning, everyone. Congratulations to our performers this morning. Show your appreciation, please. And their message around Children's Day was terrific. It's a timely reminder for us all, so thank you very much for delivering the message so beautifully. One of the things that stood out to me with their presentation today was how beautifully they all stood. It makes a big difference when we're trying to listen to someone share a message if you're not being distracted by all kinds of other things. We're often distracted if people move around a lot. Now, I know for many of you that it's very difficult to stand still. For some people, it's almost impossible, and that's not because they're naughty. It's because their body is built that way where they have to keep moving. Now there's a trick. My grandmother taught me many, many years ago, and I'm going to show you what the trick is. Put your hand up if you think you know what the trick is.
Trick is moving your toes.
Exactly. I'll show you again. I'm not distracting everyone. I'm not. Everyone's not looking at my toes, other than because I told you to. But what it means, thank you. Sit down, thanks. What that means is for the people who find it really hard to stand still, you can still do that movement without distracting everyone. So next time Miss Latifah is walking around saying, stand still, stand still, stand still, listen and also wriggle those toes. My grandmother was very clever because she said to me, she knew that I found it difficult to stand still, and she said to me, you must have ants in your pants. And so she said to me, you need to do a dance to keep the ants out of your pants. If you wriggle your toes, the ants can't come up your legs and get into your pants. So it's keeping the ants away. And in that way I've learned to stand still most of the time. So for people who do find it difficult, wriggle the toes. We hope that you have a great Children's Day and a wonderful week. Thank you.